I'll guide you through how to stack SheIn coupons the easy way without the problem of being unable to use more than one coupon code. If you're looking to save money on your next SheIn haul, or you want to get the most value for your money and combine your discounts on SheIn, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here's the complete process to stack your discounts on SheIn.
First, open your SheIn app and start an order. Go through the process of adding items to your cart and proceed to the checkout page. Once you are on the checkout page, scroll down past your shipping address and payment method. You should see a section for coupon code. This is where you enter the SheIn coupon codes you found online. You can also use the points section to add SheIn points to your savings. Earn these by checking in on the app daily, writing product reviews, and playing mini-games. At checkout, you can redeem these points to further reduce your total price. A great strategy is to shop from the sale and clearance sections. All the discounts we've mentioned, the reference code, SheIn points, and the next step will apply to these already reduced prices, maximizing your savings. By entering it directly on the checkout page, you ensure it is applied to your current order and any future ones for the set period. By this, you have successfully and strategically stacked your discounts on SheIn. Check the description below for a $30 bonus to shop at over 3,500 stores. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more coupons and discount tips. Thanks for watching.